the exit poll, here it seems that Sonia Gandhi has now waded in. Now, she has been saying that it is a wait and watch game. They must watch till the time when the election results are actually announced till tomorrow and must refrain from getting any sort of comments, even when it comes to the exit poll survey or the predictions that have been made.
Ma'am, what are your expectations for tomorrow, ma'am? Any comments, please? Ma'am, exit. Ma'am, are you?
We just have to wait and see.
All right. Nyamika is with us right now. Nyamika, we will just have to wait and see. However, that's the line Sonia Gandhi is taking. Yesterday, Rahul Gandhi seems to be taking the 295 poll prediction, saying, and he dismissed them and alleged that it was Modi media poll. He said that, a late rapper, his song is something that predicted 295, and 295 is the number that the India bloc is now going forward with.
Well, absolutely, as that is what is being repeated by Sonia Gandhi as well. The CPP chairperson has spoken about the exit polls in which she has mentioned that we have to wait and see, as she has also expressed confidence by saying that we are hopeful that the results will be exactly opposite to what the exit polls are showing. Not just Sonia Gandhi, but many other senior leaders of the India bloc are expressing the same kind of opinion, as we have also spoken to Farooq Abdullah as well. And Farooq Abdullah is also quite confident of the fact that the India bloc is going to get at least 295 seats. When the question was being asked to him regarding the exit polls, he said that these are Modi polls. That is the line which Rahul Gandhi had also taken yesterday when this question was being asked to him. So it seems like the India bloc leaders are quite confident that the victory is going to be for them on the 4th of June, and that's the reason why they are predicting the numbers of 295 for themselves, as they are saying that we cannot believe on the exit polls, as we have spoken to the people of this country, and we are quite hopeful that on 4th of June it is the India bloc which is going to come into power.
All right, but even when it comes to projections like this, we have seen the Congress party first denying any participation, then making a U-turn, and then dismissing all of the numbers. They have been calling it at mind games. They have been calling it at psychological warfare. Of course, this is a line that has been taken up by the other India bloc parties as well. Nyamika.
Absolutely, as this is what this is what the India bloc leaders are saying. They are saying that these exit polls are nothing but just an attempt on the part of the BJP to put a pressure upon the ECI officials, and that's the reason why they are trying to intimidate the Election Commission of India as well. They are saying that exit polls is nothing but the psychological game of the BJP. Today also the CPP chairperson Sonia Gandhi has mentioned that we are quite hopeful that the results, the actual results which are going to come tomorrow, are going to be exactly opposite to what is being shown in the exit polls. And not just Sonia Gandhi, but Farooq Abdullah has also...
So Sonia Gandhi's first reaction coming in, Nyamika taking up that question to her, asking exactly what's her opinion on the exit poll predictions. She says that we need to wait and watch. Let's move on now and talk about the BJP, which is now hit back at the India bloc, calling their response to the exit poll prediction as a reflection of their fear on the results that await them on the 4th of June. The BJP says it seems that the opposition bloc has already conceded defeat.